Ladies and gentlemen, gather around because today we're about to revolutionize your guitar game without even leaving the comfort of your own home. That's right, you can now become the MacGyver of the music world using just a few household items. Why spend a fortune on guitar accessories when you can DIY it with some everyday objects? Let's dive into the top 10 household items you didn't know could be your new guitar best friends. First up, let's talk fret wraps. Picture this, you're in the zone, nailing that riff, but then BAM! Unwanted string noise. Annoying, right? Enter the sock. Yes, folks, ditch those expensive fret wraps and grab a sock from your laundry pile. Wrap it around the lower part of your fretboard and voila! You've got yourself a homemade fret wrap. Sure, playing with one bare foot might not win you any fashion awards, but who cares when your sound is this clean? Now, capos. We all love them, but sometimes they just go missing when you need them the most. Instead of panicking though, grab a pencil and a rubber band. No, we're not doing arts and crafts here, we're making a capo. Place the pencil on your desired fret, secure it with a rubber band, and boom, you've got a DIY capo. It's not the most glamorous solution, but hey, it works in a pinch. Plus, it's a great conversation starter at parties. Ever lost a guitar pick? Of course you have. They're like the socks of the guitar world, disappearing into thin air. But don't worry, your old credit card is here to save the day. Snip off a corner with some scissors, and you've got yourself a pick that won't break the bank, literally. Just make sure you're not chopping up an active card unless you're ready for a conversation with your bank about why your magnetic strip is in pieces. Speaking of picks, if credit cards aren't your style, try a coin. Yes, a good old-fashioned coin. It's not as bendy, but if Brian May can use one, so can you. Just be prepared for some seriously heavy strumming. Now, let's get a little bluesy. No slide? No problem. Grab a wine bottle. Empty or full? No judgment here. And use the neck as a slide. Just be careful with those notes if you've still got wine in there. And if you're feeling extra crafty, cut the neck off a bottle for a more authentic slide. But please, for the love of your fingers, file down those edges first. We're making music, not a trip to the ER. Need to mute some strings for that perfect take? Forget fret wraps. It's time for Blu Tack to shine. Stick some of that putty over the strings you want to mute, and you've got yourself a makeshift fret mute that's perfect for those open string riffs. Next on our list, string cleaning. No one likes the sound of dead strings, but who has time to go buy new ones? Just boil them. That's right, dunk your old strings in boiling water and watch the gunk melt away. Just don't leave them in too long or you'll end up with spaghetti instead of strings. For those who fear their strap might pop off mid-gig, look no further than Grolsch beer. Yeah, not only do you get a refreshing drink,
you only hear once,
but the rubber washers that come with the bottles double as strap locks.
No strap locks, no duct tape. Just a simple washer from a bottle of Grolsch beer.
Drink up, secure your strap, and rock on. Got a tremolo? Annoyed by the springs buzzing away? Grab a sponge from your kitchen and stuff it in the rear cavity.
And basically just cut a small piece up and stick it under the spring.
No more buzz, just pure, unadulterated tone. Trim it down if you need to. We're looking for dampened springs, not a sponge cake. Finally, for all you bassists out there yearning for that classic Motown sound, grab some foam and stick it under your strings at the bridge.
Jameson famously used was foam underneath the bridge, okay, which you can see here.
Instant James Jamerson vibes without breaking the bank. So, there you have it, folks. Who knew your house was filled with secret guitar accessories? Now go forth and rock out with your newfound DIY gear. And remember, it's not about what you have, but how creatively you use it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more. And be sure to tap that bell so you don't miss anything. Check out one of these videos next.